Good evening. This is our project, which is a smart LED control system. The user can control LED lights from an application. This is Firebase, which acts as a relay between the user and these components. I will explain this circuit. This is a 5 volts regulator which turns this 9 volts into 5 volts for the board to use. This is the D882 transistor which is used for switching of this LED, and this is an LDR module which senses the ambient light in the room, and this LDR's input is used when we use the automatic mode in this app. We can see that the board is connected to Wi-Fi, and this is our database. Currently I turned on the LED. You can see that the LED is on here. Currently it is in manual mode, so I can adjust the intensity as I desire. Let me put it to nearly 12, 7. We can see that the LED's brightness has decreased. Again, let me increase it for you. Now it has increased in intensity. Let me show you automatic mode. In automatic mode, this board takes data from the LDR module, which senses the ambient light in the room, and according to that it adjusts the intensity of the light. Let me cover the LDR. So it thinks that the room is now dark, so the LED should glow brighter than normal. The effect is not much visible in the camera, but it's brighter now. And if I will put flash on it to trick that it is in sunlight now. We can see that the value of LDR is now 0, which means the LED is turned off. Now I remove the light source. Now it has turned on again. Now I will be turning the light off. Now it's off. The data is reflected in this database. Whenever we change the intensity, it gets reflected in the PWM field, which in turn it gets sent to the board which is connected to Wi-Fi, and it controls the transistor which switches the LED on and off at high speeds. So we get the effect that its intensity is less. Thank you.